All right, guys, some faces I know y'all recognize on my channel. Kyle the Fish Whisperer, Henry Martin of Catching Dinosaurs, and the guest of honor today, Brandon. You guys have seen me
It's been a good day, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
You guys have seen me catch a bunch of bluegill with Brandon, but today it's something totally different. He caught the biggest fish of his life, and he caught it on a bait casting reel, and it's probably over 150 pounds?
150, yeah.
150 pound fish. Hope you all enjoy this footage. We had the time of our lives, and this is everything to Brandon.
Absolutely.
Thank you guys for watching. All right, guys, this is our bait. This river is super flooded. If you notice, you cannot see much of the banks. We're literally like 25 feet high. Is that right?
Yeah, 25.
This river's 25 feet high. We're gonna cut this bait up and chuck it out there, try and find some monster fish. Heads up. Oh, I got robbed. I got robbed. Guys, we got our regular 2 spinning reels, but this reel would be awesome to have somebody catch a giant on this. Casking capstan bait casting reel. How much drag does it have, dude?
30, I think.
30 something pounds of drag. This is a beast of a bait caster. All right, guys, we were sitting in a spot and we saw a massive, massive fish come up. Looks like it's well over 7 foot. We got some baits out, and one of those baits got picked up by a very serious fish. Guys, this fish took off this way, and you can see the float right there. And what it's done, it's made a half circle, and it's coming back upstream.
I can push that way.
That's a very good sign.
Just let me know.
She's going, she's going.
Whenever she moves now, you want to give her like about 25 seconds or so.
Oh no, it broke. I think you should do it.
Yeah, it would make the most freaking noise. I would.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Go, go.
You got her. You got her.
There we go.
You got it. Oh my gosh, dude. You gotta back up, Brandon, so we can move that.
Just reel and keep tight. That's your job, okay? Take you. Just let him go to the front, guys. Go to the front. We're going to the front. Go to the front. Go to the front. Reel. I'm cutting it off.
You're good. You good. That's it, Brandon. That's gonna be the biggest fish of your life, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
How you feeling, man?
Take her back to the front. Can't
Angle to the right. Angle to the right. Look at how much she's moving you.
Hold on. Where's she going?
To the tree.
Left.
Back up. Just back up, Henry.
Turn it to the right. To the right. Take her to the right. Yeah, we're good.
You're about
We're gonna keep doing it. She's going, bro. Keep going. I am. I'm on back.
There you go. You're all right.
Take her to the right. More to the right. A little more to the right.
She's home.
No.
Good job.
Work her. Reel. Don't stop.
Should I tighten the drag a little bit?
Yeah. I mean, just like 1 or 2 clicks. Yeah, you're good now. If anybody sees any snags or anything we need to worry about, just let me know.
We're
Coming
fine.
up, coming up.
Reel down
Turn
and
it off to the side. Take her to the front. Reel down.
turn right.
Turn right. That's that fish we saw.
For sure. Look how white she is. No. Oh my gosh.
Giant.
That's so fat.
That's a dinosaur. That's the one we saw.
That's
Yeah.
for sure
Crazy.
bigger than me.
Oh, for sure.
Ready?
All right, we're gonna rope her.
Take her back to the right now.
Fish cowboy.
As soon as she touches, she's gonna hit.
Dude, she scared me.
Don't let her get on the side of the boat. She'll jump right in here.
Left.
Left. Turn her head.
Quickly.
She's slow.
You're good. You're fine. She's pretty lethargic.
Yeah, I know. Still though, if that motor hits her, or if the boat hits her, she's still gonna push hard.
Yeah.
Keep in mind.
Don't reel anymore. Keep pulling, man. Just get her, try and get her up. She's getting super tired.
She up?
Yeah.
Much more. We gotta stand up now.
You might be able to get her tied.
All right.
No, she's done.
She's still up, Brandon. Keep pulling.
Cool. You gotta use the other hand.
She's got a tiny face.
She's gonna push to get there. Got it? Okay, you're good. Make sure you're on good.
Brandon, talk to me, dude.
Are you good on the other side?
Hold on, man. Hold on. You keep the rod. I got the rope.
Keep her on the left. Keep her on the left. Joe,
All right.
you're gonna hit her.
No, she's
No,
fine.
we're not. I have it perfect.
She's fine.
Okay, somebody anchor, please. Oh my god.
Brandon,
Careful, guys. Careful.
give me a hug, dude. You did it, man. Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Out! Out! Give me the rod. Give me the rod. Okay. I gotta get that up. I gotta get that up.
Get your hand off. Pull the right.
Okay.
Get to the right. Get to the right. Get to the right.
She's good.
I see your tail.
Give me. Let me through here.
You gotta bring her a little more.
Give me the rope. Give me the rope.
You got it. You got it. Got her.
Good catch.
First time.
That's how you got it.
Keep. Do it again. I got 85 and a half.
Okay. Alright, so and like 35. Okay. 7-1. Somehow she's not quite as big as we thought, but that's awesome.
Dude, she's huge. That's it right there. There it is, guys. Biggest fish of Brandon's life,
And a
dude.
freaking monster. It's heavy.
Let's put her down.
Put it down safe.
Whenever you're ready, man.
Man, alright, I'm ready.
Y'all?
Yeah.
Alright, if she goes, it's fine.
I got it.
It's alright, just let her go.
You okay?
Yeah. Me.
Yeah, just grab it.
You want to? Yeah. Capstan, 300, casting reel.
Those are insane.
Got that monster.
There she is.
Bang! Let's go! Oh, it's so awesome. Woo!